Welcome to our YouTube channel. You've entered the What If Zone, powered by Factified. While gazing at the Milky Way last night, I imagined a strange cosmic twist. What if our galaxy started spiraling backwards? Not metaphorically, but literally. If the entire rotation of the Milky Way reversed direction. What would that mean for stars, black holes, our solar system, and even time itself? Let's dive into astonishing, mind-blowing, and scientifically wild consequences of what would happen if the Milky Way suddenly spiraled in reverse. Stars would suddenly orbit the opposite way. Currently, stars in the Milky Way rotate around the galactic center at about 828,000 kilometers per hour, or 514,000 miles per hour. If we reversed that spin, every star, including our sun, would have to halt and accelerate the other way, which would require unimaginable energy, and, honestly, would violate known physics. The entire galaxy might tear itself apart. Such a sudden reversal would unleash chaotic gravitational forces, ripping apart spiral arms, scattering stars, and creating violent stellar collisions as objects try to reverse direction. Black holes would become highly unstable. Our galaxy's central supermassive black hole, Sagittarius A star, feeds on matter orbiting in one direction. Reversing the galaxy's spin would jam this flow, possibly causing enormous radiation flares or massive magnetic disruptions. Star systems like ours could be ejected. If the balance of motion is disturbed, solar systems could be flung out of orbit or even launched into intergalactic space, becoming rogue stars wandering the void. Collisions with nearby galaxies would become unpredictable. The Milky Way is currently on a collision course with Andromeda. Reversing its spin could alter gravitational dynamics, making the galactic merger more violent, sooner, or completely different. Dark matter halos might collapse. The Milky Way is surrounded by a massive dark matter halo that helps stabilize it. A sudden reversal could destabilize this halo, potentially causing structural collapse or reshaping the galaxy. So, cosmic radiation patterns would shift. Galactic magnetic fields shaped by rotation would actually reverse polarity. This could disrupt cosmic ray pathways and alter Earth's radiation exposure, possibly affecting climate and DNA over long timescales. Our sun's path through space would twist as well. The sun orbits the galactic center once every 225 million years. A reversal would alter this trajectory, affecting the solar neighborhood and potentially bringing Earth closer to stellar hazards like supernovae. New stars may stop forming. Galactic spin helps compress gas clouds into stars, and if you reverse that spin, it might totally disrupt star formation, leading to, well, a dead and fading galaxy over billions of years. Time symmetry would really be called into question here. I mean, even though physical laws are technically time reversible, such an enormous reversal might make us wonder about the true direction of time's arrow. Could something like this actually make time itself feel like it's moving backward? Time to zoom in on the scary part. Galactic collisions inside the Milky Way would spike. With stars and systems now moving in reverse, their relative speeds would actually double, massively increasing the chances of stellar smash-ups, especially in those dense regions near the galactic core. The night sky would slowly distort too. Over thousands of years, constellations would stretch, twist, and even vanish as star positions change in reverse motion. Ancient sky maps? They'd basically become meaningless. Gravitational wave activity could spike. All this cosmic turmoil would generate massive gravitational waves, potentially detectable across the universe, ripples in space-time echoing out from the galaxy's core. Civilization, if it's out there, might detect strange time signals. If intelligent life exists in the galaxy, they might interpret the reversal as a cosmic catastrophe or maybe even a divine event, or, who knows, try to contact us, thinking we somehow triggered it. It could hint that we live in a simulation. If the galaxy reversed smoothly, it would actually violate physical laws, making a lot of scientists question, are we inside a simulated universe where someone just flipped a switch? And hey, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Every day, a new impossible becomes real. Here. If the Milky Way spiraled backwards, it wouldn't just rewrite astronomy, it would challenge everything we know about gravity, time, and reality itself. A reverse spin galaxy could become, honestly, the most mysterious phenomenon in the observable universe.